We're cutting across to some breaking news right now coming in on the back of the explosive Republic TV sting operation exposing the conspiracy to instigate riots. On the back of the Hathras case, the man who was stung has now been arrested officially by the UP police. He was earlier taken into custody within 24 hours of the broadcast of the sting operation. Shivraj Jivan has now been formally arrested by the UP police. Earlier, our correspondent also tried to confront him as he was at the police station. Even as he tried to put up a brave face, he did not deny that it was him on the sting and that he did say the things that he was caught saying. Now, this is, of course, big as far as the investigations into the backdrop of the conspiracy and the politics around the Hathras case is concerned. Already, the UP police is looking into other aspects, that is funding and organized protests that were being carried out or were being attempted with an eye, of course, not just at politics, but also at instigating enmity between different groups. This, of course, is going to add on to that case because this is a sting operation where this man, congressman, has actually been caught on camera talking about riots, talking about instruments of riots, and also about deaths that will occur. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush, also tracking the latest. Piyush, tell us the latest that the police is saying. What are the charges that have been slapped against this man?
Well, that's a big impact of Republic TV's sting operation because, in that particular sting operation, this man was, telling us a lot of things as to how, the complete plan, Operation Danga, was being planned by the Congress party, in which he was also talking about the people being killed from both the sides, and then political tourism of leaders of the Congress party, from Rahul Gandhi to Sonia Gandhi to everyone. And now this man has been officially arrested. Moreover, a video has surfaced in which he had gone to the residence of victim, Hathras victim, where he was making provocative statements, and now he has been officially arrested. A complaint was given against him. Not one but two complaints were given against this man. What we're also learning is that this man has been officially arrested, and what we're learning is that he had not appeared before the police after he was summoned by the police. What we're also learning is that his name has cropped up in Operation Danga, and he was planning to do a lot of things before operating all these things. Police has now arrested him. We also saw that how in our sting operation he was talking about taking money and also people being killed from both the sides. Now we'll have to wait and watch how further investigation in this case goes on, and how other people are also arrested in this case, because police has told us that many of the people are now on the radar. And what we have also been told is that PFI name also emerged in this, and through agencies we got to know that money from 50 crore to 100 crore were also transferred in their account to create mayhem and also create ruckus in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
So, Piyush, you've been in Hathras. Of course, you're part of the team that is continuing to look into the deep-rooted conspiracy to instigate violence on the back of this case. Just give us a sense of what is the atmosphere that prevails right now. How is the police, that was, of course, criticized very heavily for some of their knee-jerk reactions, how are they maintaining law and order? Because what is emerging is that large number of people could be involved in the conspiracy to instigate unrest. So what's the situation really in Hathras? What's the presence of the administration and police like? And what are the steps being taken?
Right now, as we are speaking, a lot of police have been deployed in Hathras. Every corner, every village, we can see police personnel being deployed so that the situation is under control. Law and order situation is under control. And if we talk about the investigation, like we were discussing, the special investigation team is all set to ask at least 40 people to appear for the investigation, in which their statements will be recorded. On the other side, we have also seen that how accused has written a letter in which he is claiming that he is innocent and he was not present on the day when the incident took place. So SIT is now investigating the entire case. Moreover, mother and brother of victim girl could also be asked to join the probe. So there are certain things that are now coming out right now as we are speaking. Senior officials of the district administration of Hathras, they are present there at the village, not at one village, but there are 2 to 3 villages where police personnel have been deployed in large numbers to control the law and order situation. Though as of now, no untoward incident has taken place. Though there was a conspiracy, we saw that how many political parties came here. They tried to provoke the people there, but that has not happened. Police has now controlled the situation. Initially, many
Okay.
accusations were leveled against the
Right.
police.
Just to remind our viewers, remember this sting operation against this congressman was aired only yesterday. I want to go across to my colleague Jitendra also. Jitendra, for the benefit of our viewers, as this man Jivan is now arrested by the police, just break down what all he said in that sting operation that has forced the police to take this strict action against him so quickly.
देखिए, हाथरस से एक बहुत बड़ी खबर है कि जो हाथरस का हमने स्टिंग ऑपरेशन किया था शिवराज जीवन का, उसको पुलिस ने आज हिरासत में ले लिया है। सुबह उसको पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया गया था और जब पूछताछ की गई है तो उसके बाद से तमाम जो चीज़ें थी, जो सवालात थे, पुलिस ने उसके ऊपर दागे और कहीं ना कहीं वो उनका जवाब नहीं दे पाया। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये बात पुख्ता हो गई थी कि स्टिंग ऑपरेशन में जो बात कह रहा था वो बिल्कुल सही थी, चाहे वो दंगा भड़काने की बात हो, पैसे लेकर दंगा कराने की बात हो, या फिर राहुल गांधी को यहाँ बुलाने की बात हो, पैसा देकर या दंगा करवा कर जब तक कोई मरते नहीं है तब तक वो यहाँ पर आएंगे नहीं। तमाम तरह की जो बातें थी वो जब उनके सामने क्वेश्चन रखे गए होंगे तो जाहिर तौर पर वो उनके जवाब नहीं दे पाया होगा। यही कारण है कि जो उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस है, हाथरस पुलिस है, उन्होंने आज उनको भी गिरफ्तार किया है और तमाम जो पुलिस के अधिकारी हैं वो हालांकि अभी कुछ बोल नहीं रहे, लेकिन जो जानकारी वो यही आ रही है कि उसको गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है और पूछताछ काफी देर तक चली है, सवाल काफी सारे दागे गए हैं उनसे, ये जानकारी मिली है। और ये एक बेहद बड़ी चौंकाने वाली बात है कि पुलिस ने गुप्त तरीके से ये पूरी पूछताछ की गई। हालांकि सुबह सुबह जब मैंने उनको खुद कन्फ्रंट किया था अपने कैमरे के सामने तो शिवराज जीवन कुछ भी नहीं कह रहे थे, कह रहे थे मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूं, मैं सिर्फ पुलिस का जवाब दूंगा। लेकिन पुलिस ने जब उनसे सवाल किए होंगे तो जाहिर तौर पर उसका जवाब उनको बनते नहीं पड़े होंगे। यही कारण है कि पुलिस ने उनको हिरासत में लिया है और अब कहीं ना कहीं वो परतें खुलेंगी जो इस पूरी साजिश के पीछे शामिल थे लोग। आखिर कौन वो लोग शामिल थे, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी का नाम ले रहे थे कि जब तक दो लोग इधर से नहीं मरेंगे, दो लोग उधर से नहीं मरेंगे तो राहुल गांधी ऐसे आएंगे नहीं। यानी कि बहुत बड़ी साजिश यहाँ पे की जा रही थी कि बड़े बड़े नेता यहाँ पर आना चाहते थे, राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी को आने की इजाजत जरूर दी थी, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं जो कॉन्स्पिरेसी थी वो अब जरूर खुलकर सामने आएगी कि आखिर क्या कुछ वो पूरी चीजें थी जिसको लेकर एक पहले बच्ची की मौत हो जाती है, उसके बाद से उसको राजनीति की जाती है, दंगा भड़काने की कोशिश की जाती है, पर आखिर मकसद क्या था उनका? क्या जातीय हिंसा फैलाना था या फिर उस बच्ची की लाश पर अपनी राजनीतिक रोटी सेकना था या फिर कुछ और मकसद था? कुल मिलाकर इतना जरूर है कि जो हाथरस की बड़ी घटना को अंजाम देने की कोशिश थी उसको कहीं ना कहीं रिपब्लिक भारत ने उसको एक्सपोज किया है कि इस तरीके से कि जो आरोपी थे किस तरीके से पूरी साजिश रच रहे थे, षड्यंत्र रच रहे थे और जो यहाँ के गाँव के गरीब लोग हैं उनके ऊपर किस तरीके से एक राजनीति करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। कुल मिलाकर कह सकते हैं कि शिवराज जीवन एक ऐसा मोहरा है जो पूरी इस हाथरस कांड की घटना की परत दर परत खोलेगा और पुलिस कहीं ना कहीं उस काम में जुट गई है। जी।
All right, so big update coming in. Shivraj Jivan of the Congress, who named Rahul Gandhi, who talked about the conspiracy to instigate unrest and violence, even taking lives as far as the Hathras case is concerned, has now been formally arrested. Jitendra, do you also know of the charges or the sections that have been slapped against him?
देखिए, अभी फिलहाल इस बात की जानकारी नहीं मिल पाई है कि क्या कुछ चार्जेस लगाए गए हैं, वो जाहिर तौर पर पुलिस हमें को बताएगी, लेकिन अभी पुलिस कुछ भी बताने को तैयार नहीं। मैं खुद पुलिस लाइन में इस वक्त मौजूद हूँ, यहाँ पर एसपी का कार्यालय है, लेकिन एसपी साहब यहाँ पर अभी मौजूद नहीं है। मैं खुद उनसे बातचीत करने आया हूँ, फोन उठा नहीं रहे हैं। लेकिन इतना जरूर है कि जो सवालात उन्होंने पूछे होंगे शिवराज जीवन से, जाहिर तौर पर उसका आंसर नहीं मिला है। और जो मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि कॉन्स्पिरेसी बहुत बड़ी थी, इसलिए जो मामला है बेहद संगीन हो जाता है और क्या कुछ धारा लगेंगी वो देखना बेहद दिलचस्प होगा। क्या इसमें वो उसके शिवराज जीवन के खिलाफ क्या सेडिशन के चार्ज भी लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरह की वो बातें कर रहे हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं देशद्रोह के। जी
Okay, Jitendra, stay with us.